we are Labor Day, September the 1st, 2025. And this could be our last time coming to this beach ever, because early next year we're planning on moving to the Mediterranean on the French coast, Perpignan, 20 miles from Spain. So it'll be different, but we have loved being at this beach here. Right?
Yep.
So what have you got to say?
It's been a glorious day.
Glorious day. And honestly, it's the cheapest we've ever had to pay for parking, $15 for the day. Usually it's $50, $60. But they said it's because the weather. The weather's sunny. What's wrong with the weather? They said they've just been very slow this week, and they were predicting rain, but you know the weathermen, they have the most difficult job in the world in Florida, and yet they can't even get it right. It's supposed to rain all day. We haven't seen a drop. So anyway, and the water, as always, is amazing. A bit rough for here.
It is a bit rough.
The Gulf of Mexico or the Gulf of America now. Oh, wow, got hit there. So, whoop, here comes another one. I tell you, this water temperature is probably, I would say it's not as warm as it ever is, but it's still about 84, 85 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect. So this is beautiful. Anyway, love, what have you got to say for yourself?
Just enjoying the day, lolling around in the water.
That's right.
Making the most of the beautiful weather.
And we're hoping one day, we've been trying to learn French for the last 3 or 4 months, and oh, we're having a hard time. But once we get there, we're going to definitely find classes, because I believe they say they offer free classes, and we're definitely going to take advantage of that. So
He says classes and I say classes.
Classes. And actually, when I grew up in Greater Manchester, it was classes. So it's a bit of a mix. But yeah, it's love. Look at this boat coming here with the shark's teeth. Look at that. I don't even know if you can see it, but yeah, it's the trouble with this camera. I prefer my Sony, but it's not waterproof. The GoPro is waterproof. I don't know if you can see that. Like Jaws.
It's weird.
Jaws the ride, I guess. And there's Clearwater Pier. I don't think we've ever been on that. We've lived here for 9.5 years. But I love this. You know, I like Honeymoon Island. I like Fred Howard Beach. But we can't rent the cabanas there, so there it is. The big shark ride. Turn around, and we see, and this time we usually park in the pink building, which is the Hyatt Regency. We usually pay about $60, and I missed the turn and turned into well, that one got hit me. I wasn't expecting that. But that surf style there, parked in that building, it was only $15 for the day, so great. Beautiful day. Okay, let me pause this now. Actually, into my Wi-Fi lane. Hey, babe. I wonder what the temperature's going to be like in the Mediterranean.
These waves are big.
I know, we don't usually have this here. All right.